When it comes to home improvement, many homeowners focus on interior design, landscaping, or adding modern amenities to increase comfort and value. However, one of the most powerful ways to enhance the overall appearance of your home is by upgrading your windows. New windows are not only functional but also play a significant role in boosting the aesthetic appeal of your Washington, D.C. property. Whether you're looking to increase curb appeal, create a more open feel indoors, or improve energy efficiency, new windows can make a dramatic difference in the look and feel of your home. Here's how new windows can enhance the aesthetic appeal of your property and elevate its overall design. Improved curb appeal. Your windows are one of the first things people notice about your home. In a city like Washington, D.C., where architectural styles range from historic townhomes to sleek modern apartments, the right windows can instantly transform the exterior of your property. Whether you're looking to preserve the charm of a traditional home or update a more modern aesthetic, new windows can significantly boost your home's curb appeal. Traditional homes. For classic, older homes, replacing old, drafty windows with beautiful wood windows or vinyl windows with wood-like finishes can maintain the historic charm while providing the benefits of modern materials. Double-hung windows or casement windows often work well in more traditional settings, offering both beauty and functionality. Modern homes. If you live in a contemporary or modern home, sleek fiberglass or aluminum-framed windows may be the best option. Large floor-to-ceiling windows or glass walls offer a minimalist, clean look, creating an open, airy feeling while maximizing natural light. Upgrading your windows is an easy and cost-effective way to enhance the exterior of your Washington, D.C. property, making it more inviting and visually appealing. Maximizing natural light and views. One of the most significant benefits of new windows is the ability to bring in more natural light. Modern window designs often feature larger panes of glass, allowing more sunlight into your home and creating a bright, welcoming atmosphere. Increased natural light can make your living spaces feel more open and spacious. Larger windows or picture windows are perfect for showcasing beautiful outdoor views, whether it's a scenic view of the city, a charming garden, or a lush landscape. These windows allow you to blur the line between the indoors and outdoors, connecting your home to its surroundings and providing a constant sense of openness. Incorporating floor-to-ceiling windows or oversized windows can dramatically change the aesthetic of any room, providing an unobstructed view of the outdoors and increasing the amount of natural light flowing into your home. This can create a serene, tranquil atmosphere that's both visually stunning and comforting. Creating a modern, clean look. Over time, windows can become outdated, with old frames, cracks, or faded finishes that detract from your home's overall appearance. New windows bring a fresh, clean look to any property, enhancing its contemporary feel. Whether you're renovating an older home or updating a more modern space, new windows can provide a sleek, polished aesthetic. Minimalist designs. For a more modern aesthetic, consider sleek aluminum or fiberglass-framed windows. These materials offer clean lines and contemporary finishes that blend seamlessly with a modern design. Whether you choose casement windows for a clean, open look or sliding windows for a sleek, functional design, new windows can modernize your space in an instant. Custom window shapes. You can also opt for custom window shapes that add a unique design element to your property. From arched windows to oval or round windows, these custom options give your home a distinctive appearance that sets it apart from others in the neighborhood. With new windows, your home can look fresh, polished, and up to date, adding a modern touch to any style of property. Increased energy efficiency and comfort. While new windows significantly impact the aesthetics of your home, they also improve energy efficiency, which enhances overall comfort. Older windows often allow drafts and heat loss, making your home uncomfortable and driving up energy bills. Energy-efficient windows, such as double or triple pane windows, provide superior insulation, helping maintain consistent indoor temperatures. Low-E glass. Many modern windows come with low-E glass coatings that reflect heat back into your home during the winter and reduce heat gain during the summer. This keeps your home comfortable year-round and reduces your reliance on heating and cooling systems, resulting in energy savings. Noise reduction. New windows are also designed to block out external noise, which can be particularly valuable in a busy city like Washington, D.C. Whether you're near a busy street or a noisy neighborhood, new windows can help create a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment, improving your overall living experience. While the visual benefits are immediate, the comfort and energy savings make new windows a wise investment for long-term satisfaction. Customization for personal style. With a variety of materials, colors, finishes, and styles available, new windows offer a level of customization that allows you to express your personal style. Whether you prefer the natural look of wood, the sleek finish of fiberglass, or the durability of vinyl, you can choose the perfect window material and finish to complement your home's aesthetic. Frame colors. From classic white to deep shades of gray, black, or custom colors, the frame color of your windows can complement your home's interior and exterior design, adding a cohesive, personalized touch. Window grids. Adding grids or grille patterns to your windows can help you achieve a specific design look, whether you want a traditional grid pattern or a more modern, sleek design. With new windows, the possibilities for customization are endless, allowing you to create a space that feels uniquely yours. Conclusion. New windows can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal of your Washington, D.C. property. Whether you're looking to improve curb appeal, increase natural light, or add a modern touch to your home's exterior, replacing old windows is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make. With improved energy efficiency, better design flexibility, and enhanced comfort, window replacement is a smart investment that not only boosts your home's visual appeal but also its long-term value. If you're ready to transform your home, new windows are the perfect place to start.